Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download ESRI's land use land cover data for any study region. So let's get started. So open your browser. So in that, go to the search section and type as ESRI's LULC. So now I have typed as an ESRI's LULC. Now click enter to search. Now click the first result, ESRI's land cover ArcGIS Living Atlas of World. So you can able to visualize here. So this is the official website where ESRI's land cover data is available. So ESRI's land cover data is prepared using Sentinel-2A of 10-meter resolution. So it is a high resolution, open, accurate and comparable and timely land use map are critical for decision makers in many industries and developing nation. These map improves in understanding the important topics such as food security, land use planning, surface water, resource management planning. In addition, National Government Resource Agency uses the land use land cover as a basis for understanding the trends in the country's natural capital, which helps define the land planning priorities, is a basis for the budget allocations. So mapping with AI, so existing artificial intelligence land classification models were enhanced by bringing together a massive training datasets of billions of human labeled image pixels, and these models were applied to entire Sentinel-2A's collection for the each year from 2017 to 2022. The output provides 9 classes of surfaces, including vegetation type, bare surface, water, cropland, and build areas. These maps are available from ArcGIS Living Atlas of World. Using this visualization, the planner worldwide will better understand the geography around them and how it has changed with the latest information available, be able to make more informed decisions. And this land use land cover is prepared using our Sentinel-2A image, basically using a deep learning approach. So as a result, the land use land cover time series analysis for entire year of observation can be produced in a matter of days. So Sentinel-2A, that is land cover explorer, enabling the dynamic change analysis as you explore the map. So let us visualize that. So here there is a many options available. So currently we are in land cover. So you can enable the map labels. So to visualize the places, name of the places. So here there is another option that is available, the land cover total. So currently we are viewing this particular scene. So now let us view the different land cover classification of this particular image. So for that, click this option. So here you can able to visualize the water from 2000, water percentage from 2017 to 22, and the trees from 2017 to 22. Likewise, the flooded vegetation, crops, build areas, bare ground, snow and rangelands. Now let me close this. So likewise, you can zoom into any part of the study region of the world to view the land use land cover. So now let us view to this part of this region, that is in Belgium. So now you can able to visualize here the total land cover at 2022. So likewise, let me expand this, and now we can able to visualize the water change, the trees, the crop, the build areas, as well as the rangeland. So now let us launch our land cover explorer application. So here we are currently in Chennai. It is a metropolitan city. So now to view the change detection, so you can just hold and drag to 2017 and just start play this button, and you can visualize the change detection from 2017 to 2022. So you can visualize the different changes from 2017 to 2022. So here there is around 9 different classes that is available in ESRI's land use land cover map, starting from water, crops, snow, tree, build areas, clouds, flooded vegetation, bare ground, and rangeland. So now click this option about land cover. So now click this option called open in a map viewer. So currently we are in map viewer. So yes, if you want to view the legends, so go to this option called legends. So now you can able to visualize the different legends starting from water to rangeland. You can also visualize the life changes. The land use can be, the different changes can be observed just by dragging this to that particular year. So now let me drag to 2017 and start playing this so you can visualize the different changes from 2017 to 2022. So now let us download our ESRI's land use land cover. So now click this option called download. You can able to visualize this download button. Click this. So now click this option called launch a download option for a land cover. So now let us select a study region. So you can able to visualize here. I'm gonna select this particular tile. So there is a many tiles available for download to download a ESRI's land use land cover. So we can specifically select this particular tile to download our ESRI's land use land cover. So for that, just for that, all you have to do is just click on this particular tile. So here there is an option, so you can select the land use land cover from starting from 2017 to 2022. So you can select any of this land use land cover of your choice. So now I'm going to select this particular year, 2022. So now you can able to visualize here. It is currently downloading our ESRI's land use land cover. So it is around 124 MB. It is getting downloaded. So now we have downloaded our ESRI's land use land cover. So it is around 124 MB. So you can also visualize here. You can click on the map to select the tile and year to download the individual GeoTIFF files. Alternatively, to click on the following links to download a bulk downloads for each year as a zip file. For each year, the zip file is around 60 GB. So you can able to visualize it now. That is for 2017, the land use land cover for entire world is around 60 GB. So likewise for each year, you can also download a bulk download, which is around 60 GB. So now let us add our ESRI's land use land cover map into our ArcGIS software. So now let me open my file manager. So now you can able to visualize here. So this is our ESRI's land use land cover data. So now let me drag it and add it to our table of contents section. So now you can able to visualize our ESRI's land use land cover data. So here let me expand this. So you can able to visualize there is many classes that is available in this particular data set. So right click, go to the properties. So in that, make sure you select the unique values. Yes. So now you can able to visualize we have our unique values. We have around 9 classes starting from 1 to 11. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So around 9 classes. So now click OK. So now let me add my study area shapefile. So now let me click my study area. So add. So now you can able to visualize I have added my study area. So now you can able to visualize our study area boundary. So now I'm going to clip this land use land cover data using my study area boundary. So for that, go to the search section. I'm going to search by clip tool. So in that, we're going to select the clip data management tool. So I'm going to insert our ESRI land use land cover data. I'm going to select my output extent file as our export output. That is our study area. We're going to use our, let me save my output raster location. So named as Chennai LULC. So now click save and click OK to run. So now you can able to visualize we have clipped our LULC land use land cover data of ESRIs using our study area boundary. Now let me turn this off. So now go to our right click, go to the property section. So in that we're going to select symbology and select unique values and click OK. So now we can able to visualize here we have around 9 different classes in our ESRI's LULC data. So now let me show you this. So this is our 9 classes. So starting from water bodies, trees, flooded vegetation, crop, build-up, bare soil, snow and ice, cloud and rangeland. So now you can able to visualize I have classed our Chennai LULC in the order starting from water, trees, flooded vegetation, cropland, build-up areas, bare ground, cloud and rangeland. So you can take the look at this here. Now here you can able to visualize the different classes starting from water, trees, flooded vegetation, crop, build-up areas, bare ground, and snow and ice, cloud and rangeland. So now let me get back to ArcGIS. Likewise, I have named according to the LULC classes starting from water to rangeland. So now let us calculate the area of this LULC classes. So we're going to calculate the area of each of this class in this study region. So to calculate an area, we're going to use before that we're going to use a tool called Reclassify. So now I have entered as Reclassify. So in that we're going to click as a Reclassify Spatial Analyst. So now let me input my Chennai LULC. So now let me rename according to the old values. For example, let me name as a 1 and let me name the 5 as a 5 here in the new values. So now I have named according to our old values, like 1 represent here 1 and 7 represents 7 and 11 here represents 11. So now let me and one more important thing, in reclass field make sure that you always select the value field. Now select your output file location. So I've chosen my output file location as the area Chennai LULC. So area Chennai LULC. Now click OK. So now you can able to visualize we have a reclassified raster. So now let me change the color according to our previous raster Chennai LULC. So now I have changed the color of our area of Chennai LULC and the color of our LULC subclasses based on our Chennai LULC. Now let me turn this off. So now let us calculate the area of our LULC. So right click, go to the open attribute table. So here you can able to visualize our attribute table. So now we're going to create a new field. So go to this option and click this option called add field. So in that we're going to name as area square kilometers. So I have named as an area in square kilometers and let me select the data type as a float. So now click OK. Now similarly, let us add another field called the area in percentage. So go to this option, table options, click that. So in that we're going to select add field. So enter the name of the field as area in percentage. So now select the data type as a float and click OK. Click yes. So now a new field has been created, area percentage, and this field is area in square kilometers. So now we're going to click this field called area square kilometers. Right click. We're going to go to this option called field calculator. So click yes. So now select this count. So we're going to multiply by its resolution. So I have entered as multiplying 10 by 10. So 10 into 10, that is our resolution of our LULC data, 10 meter resolution. So divided by 10 lakhs. So now click OK. So here you can able to visualize our LULC classes in square kilometers. So previously it was in meter, so now we have converted it to square kilometers. So the one here represents our water class. So there is total water body areas around for the study region is around 101.8 square kilometers. So similarly, let us calculate the area percentage. So now let us visualize our total area for our study region. So for that, right click, go to the option called statistics. So in that, we're going to visualize it, the sum section. So total area of the study region is around 1192.5 square kilometers. So now let me note this. I will copy this. So now let me close this. So now to calculate our area percentage, right click, go to the option called field calculator, click yes. So in that, we're going to select this particular option called area in square kilometers. So let me remove this. So now let me select this area square kilometers. So we're going to multiply by 100 and divide it by the total area. So this is our total area of our study region. So now click OK. So now you can able to visualize our area in percentage. So we have classified our LULC classes as 9 different classes, and based on the 9 different classes we calculated our area for each classes in square kilometers, as well as we calculated the percentage of each of these classes. So in this video I have shown you how to download ESRI's land use land cover data and how to calculate the area in square kilometers and how to calculate the area in percentage. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.